Hello everyone, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep and I am Vipin Kumar. Now in this very special session, we are going to talk about what are the most in-demand softwares for mechanical engineers. Not in 2023, not in 2024, but in this decade basically. Okay, for last 5 years and the next 5 years. So these are the most in-demand softwares that the mechanical engineers are learning and they are directly being applicated or implemented in industries. Industries are using these softwares and they require your expertise in these softwares. So before we start the session, a quick announcements. So guys, these are the sessions that I am taking on free app in this month. So do not forget to mark your calendar. Now the 16th, 17th and 24th, 23, 24th is left. So do not forget to mark your calendar. Okay, second law, entropy, available energy and pure substance. So basically every Monday, Tuesday, I will be coming with you on free app and I will be solving GATE previous year questions. So this is a GATE PYQ series, okay? Now how can you join these classes? By downloading the app. How can you download the app? By either scan this QR code or you can click on this link. You can type this link bit.ly 3svb767. Now if that is too hard for you, what you can do is, chalo, I'll let you know that link is there, okay? So what you can do, you can directly below this video, you will get this link in the description and you can click on this link and will be directed to the app. You can download the app and you can join these classes. Now guys, apart from free classes, we have paid classes as well. It is a very structured course and it has each and every component that is required for your GATE and ESC preparation. You will have live classes, recorded lectures, study materials, practice quizzes, mock tests. A very structured course, A to Z. Whatever you require for your GATE and ESC preparation, we have included in this batches. Now, how can you get to know about these batches? Okay, so you can call on this number. 9241333666. Again, if that number does not work or you want extra information, then of course you can go to app, just download the app. That's what I am saying. All this information is already on the app. You do not need to call anyone. You do not have to talk to anyone. Every information is already on the app. You will get to know everything. Okay. And as I said, you can go to this description of this video and you can click on this link that is given and you can be directed to the app download. Okay, you can register yourself and all the information is there. Okay, and guys, very important that all my ppts, all my schedules, all my classes are updated on Telegram group. So do not forget to join the Telegram group. It is Mechanical by Vipin Yadav. You can see my photo there and scan this QR code. You can scan this QR code or just search Mechanical by Vipin Yadav. Okay, more than 1000 members just like you in the same direction with the same effort for the same exam they are heading. Okay, so it is a community that we are building for you. You need a support system in this very difficult time and this will be your support system. We will be your support system basically. Chalo. So let's start the session after a quick introduction about me. So I have 6+ years of teaching experience. I have done my MTech from IIT Kharagpur and MSc from Politecnico di Milano, and I have around 3.5 years of industry and research experience. And my area of expertise is basic and applied thermodynamics and heat transfer. Chalo. So start karte hain. Let's start the session. Most in demand softwares for mechanical engineers. For whole decade. Not this year, not last year, not next year. The whole decade. Chalo. So you have to understand that mechanical engineers, they are responsible for design, analyze and simulate mechanical systems. Okay, and in order to do their job, they require several softwares. Okay, because manually you can do things, but manually you can only do for small scale. But for large scale processes, for large scale analysis, you of course you need softwares, and softwares also gives you much more complicated analysis. Okay, so we have to design, analyze, and simulate mechanical systems. Also, we have to manage data and streamline manufacturing processes. For that, we require softwares. So I will be talking about the software that are used in the industry, and you need to learn those software to get job in those industries. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now, the very first and the most common software that every mechanical engineer must know, it has been taught in your BTech level as well in colleges. It is CAD software. So CAD is where you basically make 2D 3D drawings. Okay, it can be drawing of a component, it can be drawing of a building or anything. So there's 2D or 3D drawings. Now AutoCAD is the most common software that most of us learn, and if you have not learned it and you are in your second third year of your mechanical engineering, then you must learn it, because this is a must. This is a must. So it is a 2D and 3D CAD software developed by Autodesk. Most common, most common. Now where do you use it? You use for drafting and designing mechanical components, structures and systems. Okay, and they are used for creating detailed blueprints and schematics of your drawings. So AutoCAD is it is a must learned software. It is a most learned, most common software that all the mechanical engineers know. So if you do not know this, if you have not learned this, learn it right away, right away. Okay, chalo. Next is SolidWorks. So it is an extension of AutoCAD. It is an extension of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is 2D mostly, but this is 3D. This is basically 3D CAD software and known for its parametric design capabilities. It can handle much more complicated designs with much ease. Okay, and again, it is used in product design and development, allowing engineers to create 3D models before simulations and generate manufacturing documentations. Okay, then these are all CAD software. Then the next one is CATIA. Next one is CATIA. So CATIA is again and enhanced CAD software, enhanced CAD software, and it is a comprehensive CAD, CAM, and KE softwares. Okay, computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing. Okay, software suit by Dassault Systems. Very advanced, guys, very advanced. And it is used very extensively used in aerospace industry, automotive industry, and other industries for designing on complex and high precision products. And it is suitable for creating everything from small parts to entire part. All your design of an entire component can be done on CATIA. Can be done on CATIA. Okay, so it is a very advanced CAD software from Dassault Systems. Then next is FEA, finite element analysis software. So everything, guys, you see, whenever a fluid is flowing, you have to do your thermal analysis on it. So you always do elemental analysis. You break that into a small element and you do that finite element analysis. And these softwares are very extensively used in industries that are directly connected, like power plants, like heat exchangers. So all your thermal and fluid industries, use these softwares and these analysis. Okay, so the first and the most common software is ANSYS. The first software that most of the people. So if you may have done your BTech project or MTech project, then you may have used this software, ANSYS. Okay, for structural analysis, thermal analysis, and fluid analysis. Very common, very powerful tool. Okay, so it is ANSYS to simulate and analyze the behavior of mechanical components and systems under various conditions. When a fluid is flowing, how much temperature, how the temperature is varying, how the pressure is varying, how much stress is applied on a particular component. To analyze this, we use ANSYS. So it can give you heat maps, it can give you thermal prints, that this region has very high temperatures, this region has very low temperatures, this region is in very high stress. Okay, so it is again a very commonly used software. Then we have Abacus. Okay, so it is another FEA software for simulating real world engineering problems, and it is again used in aerospace, automotive and civil engineering to perform structurals and non-linear analysis and very complex materials and assemblies. We can use this. Okay, then next is computational fluid dynamics, CFD softwares. I am 100% sure that you may have heard this CFD name. CFD you may have heard already. Yes, the very first is ANSYS Fluent. So Fluent is a very common CFD software. Okay, and it is a part of ANSYS suite. Fluent is a CFD software, so simulating fluid flow and heat transfer. This is purely thermal analysis software. Then mechanical engineers very extensively use Fluent to model and optimize fluid dynamics in applications like aerodynamics, HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning design, and automotive cooling systems. A lot of engineers use this on daily basis. And if you are doing your MTech project or BTech project, then I am 99% sure that you will have application of CFD software. Okay. Then next is OpenFOAM. It is also similar. It is also similar to Fluent, and it is an open source CFD software, and it is very well known for its flexibility and customization options. Very small customization for your personalized requirement. You can customize this analysis. Okay, it is used in research and industries to simulate a wide range of fluid flow problems from simple to highly complex scenarios. Again, it is also very commonly used. Okay. Next is product life cycle management, PLM. Now, if you are in industrial safety or life cycle assessment, or in these type of industries where a product life cycle has to be analyzed, then you will be using these softwares. Okay, quality analysis, supply chain management, all these industries use these software. So first is Siemens Teamcenter, and it is a PLM software for managing product data throughout its cycle. Where do you use it? You use it Teamcenter to collaborate on design, track revisions, and manage manufacturing and service information. Okay, and the next one is simulation and analysis tool. Now this is also, I'm 100% sure, if you have worked on CAD, then you may have also worked on MATLAB. Most of the mechanical engineers, so they make the design in, first of all, CAD, component design in CAD, and then they import it into MATLAB, and then they do their analysis in the MATLAB software. So component design will be done in AutoCAD. It will be then imported into the MATLAB for analysis, for simulation analysis. Okay, so there are high level programming language and simulation software, very extensively used by mechanical engineers, very extensively used. All these softwares that I am telling you, 90% of them I am hoping, in fact all of them I am hoping, that these names you may have heard already, but you do not know what to do. So guys, learn these softwares. They are very extensively used in industries. So by knowing these softwares, you will have an edge compared to any other applicants in your same job description. Okay, it is used for mathematical modeling, control system design, data analysis, and algorithm development. In fact, even in one of my master's project, I also made a MATLAB model to basically calculate the regeneration energy required to regenerate a absorption plant. Okay, so there was a CO2 capture plant, and the CO2 was absorbed by an absorption plant. So I need to regenerate that. I need to increase the temperature of that particular tower, absorption tower. So how much energy I need to give? I need to simulate that plant by using a MATLAB software. Again, guys, a very must know software for mechanical engineers. Then the next one is manufacturing and CAM software. So it is master CAM, master CAM. Okay, if you are in manufacturing industry, again industrial or supply chain industry, then you may have heard this name. Okay, so it is a leading CAM software, computer aided manufacturing software for machining and manufacturing, So mechanical engineers use it for creating tool paths. Okay, how you will be going from point 1 to point 2, point 2 to point 3, point 3 to point 4. So your tool, you will guide your tool through this path. Okay, optimizing machining processes and generating CNC code for precision manufacturing. You will be giving the tool path and tool will move in that direction, performing the operations that you would require: drilling, machining, boring, whatever you require. So piston, your tool will move from point 1 to point 2, perform this operation. Okay, whatever operation you want, then it will move to this point, perform your operation, and then it will be moved this to produce machining or whatever you want. So again, very extensively used in mechanical industries. So I hope that these software, either you have already known to you have already heard these names. If you have not heard, then guys, if you are in your BTech, if you are in 3rd or 4th year, then I am saying, if you want a good campus placement, if you want an edge compared to other candidates, other applicants for the same job, then you need to learn these softwares. So these softwares are essential for mechanical engineers for design, analysis, optimize mechanical systems, ensuring efficiency, safety, and performance. And you will be using these softwares for different processes and different requirement. And they are used in many industries like aerospace, automotive, manufacturing, and fluid dynamics industries as well, thermal industry as well. And that, look, you will be getting an expertise of a particular software when you get into a job. But right now your job is to learn each and every, these are only 6-7 softwares. You can easily learn a software in 1 month, 2 months. Basic knowledge you require, so that once you enter into that field, you will have basic idea. Then you, on working on that software, you will get an expertise on a particular software or a particular domain, particular industry. But that is when you get into job. Right now your job is to learn these 6-7 softwares and get at least a basic idea about these softwares, basic understanding, their user interface, their several functioning, their several functions, what each and every function do. Okay, so basic UI understanding you need to do. What is where, if I need to draw a 2D line or a 2D object, or if I need to measure something, how can you do in a software? A very basic understanding. Okay, so I hope that you will be using these softwares, you will be giving some time and learning these softwares, and you will be getting an edge once you go for your job interviews. Okay, and guys, again, as you all know, that we bring some fantastic sessions for you on Sunday and Saturday. So this Sunday on 15th of October, do not forget, I am coming up with a boiling phenomena. I hope that you, if you have studied heat transfer from me or thermodynamics from me, I don't know, but I have talked about boiling. There are several regions in boiling. Okay, there is natural convection, nucleate boiling, transition boiling, film boiling. How these several regions look like in a real life, we will be talking about. I will be boiling some water and I will be showing you that what is this region, where bubbles are forming. This is isolated boiling, bubble formation. This is column bubble formation. We will be talking about each and everything. And this Super Saturday, I on 14th, yani today itself, my documentary of Kalpana Chawla, documentary of the hero of India, the first Indian woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. very beautifully I have made this video. Just go and check this out. It either it is released or it will be releasing soon today on Saturday. Okay, so do not forget to watch this video. Okay, very interesting video. You will have goosebumps when you see this video. You will have goosebumps. I guarantee that. I guarantee that once you watch this video, you will get goosebumps. Okay, chalo, ठीक है. So let's stop the session here. I will see you very soon in one of my sessions. Thank you very much. Bye bye.